And for Antos, hi, yes. What's the crazy, parang Antos Lambo, what's the craziest thing you did for love? Too crazy to mention.
Ang hirap naman. Hindi ko maisip ka agad, the craziest thing I did for love. Yung love mismo talaga. I think love is the craziest thing I've done for love. Kasi parang, you know, when you're feeling love talaga, or feeling these emotions, it's a crazy thing, diba? It's never flat, you know, it's dynamic talaga, you know. So, yun, loving is the craziest thing I've done for love.
Ako naman po, siguro yung pinipilit mong intindihin yung mga bagay na hindi mo maintindihan. Yung parang kahit hindi na siya nag-make sense, parang tinatry mong mag-make sense siya para lang hindi mawala. Mga ganun.
Oh, God. Si Andres ba yun? For direct, kung i-compare mo sa Bulaklak yung tandem ni Ashley, what flower would it be? Pang beauty pageant question.
Siguro puting rose.
Pure.
Kasi di ba rose siya, so parang rose kasi symbol of passion. Pero gusto ko siyang maging white instead of red kasi parang ang pure and genuine ng pagsasama nila.
Pero wala pa naman makatingin. Kasama yan. The thorns of the roses.
Pwede. Pero yung thorns na yun, di ba, minsan kahit alam mong merong risk na masuksok ka, bibigay mo pa rin kasi mahal mo.
Hindi mo maamoy yung flowers without holding the thorns, something. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you po.